Hey everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hey everyone, this is TSM from Wikitech. Hey guys, the thing is, just I have received this case from the OnePlus Nord. So we have the OnePlus Nord now. So for that, I have purchased this bumper case. It's the clear, transparent bumper case. So anyhow guys, I was going to unbox it right now, and I am going to put the mobile phone in this case, and I will just share you my opinion with you. So here is the OnePlus Nord case I have just ordered in the OnePlus store. So I have received this one with a blue dot. So here is the package, looks like this. So finally here is the transparent case. So let me peel off this air bubble sheet just like this. So the packaging seems quite good. It's not impressive when compared to the packing what we have seen in the Flipkart and Amazons, but whereas here is the packaging of the OnePlus Nord. So here we go. So guys, as you can see, here is the transparent case for my OnePlus Nord. They have already given the case in the box, but it's like extra protection. Whereas if you look at the back side, it was mentioned here OnePlus Nord clear bumper case. Its cost is around $790 and it was imported from this 2020 July. So that's here. So finally, anyhow, let's quickly open this box. To open it, we need to remove these straps just like this, and one more over on this area we need to remove the sticker. So that's it. So finally here we go. So nothing on the box. Whereas at the back side they mentioned some kind of plastic recycling for environmental friendly. So directly here is the bumper case for the OnePlus Nord. Whereas guys, when coming to the design and build quality of the dog, it looks very good in my hand, and also the softness also very good. I mean, I feel something like grippy when I hold. It's a clear transparent case, and also the build quality was very good. It's a kind of mixture of TPU plus PC material, and the stiffness of the case also very good. Its cost is around $790, but I applied 200 rupees coupon, so hence I get it around $590. So well, finally guys, here is the cases from the OnePlus Nord, which comes this one in the box and this one which I was purchased just right now. So I have seen that this was a flexible TPU case, so it was a good protection. I didn't mean it does not protect your mobile phone. It's also protect your mobile phone, but this one was just awesome. You can see there was no flexible, and it's a very strong plastic. It's just like a general CPU silicone type material. And also over here you have seen in the downside they did not provide any closed sealing port for USB Type-C, but whereas for this particular one they provided the closed port for USB Type-C. And also the back side you have seen the design, but whereas the case which I was purchased was not have any kind of design. So let's anyhow put this OnePlus Nord inside this case, and let's see how perfectly it can fit. So well guys, finally I have placed the mobile phone in this new Nord transparent case. It feels very good, comfortable while holding, and I feel little bit of heavy after applying the new protective case. Finally over here on the earphone speaker, I have seen that the case was beautifully cut to open the earphone speaker volume output. Hey guys, I was back here. So finally I have placed the bumper clear case for this OnePlus Nord. So guys, the thing is, it was very good. After it looks very premium, whereas in the box we have this type of case. At the back side you have seen there was a design, and also over on this area we have the closing port. This case comes inside the box, but whereas when compared to this case was far better. Its price is around 800 rupees. But anyhow, I was providing a link in the description. If you purchase from that link, you will get 200 rupees coupon, so you guys can get it around 600 rupees nearly. Of course, after applying the case, I feel little bit of heavy weight of the mobile phone, but anyhow, it's really premium and very neat design, and also the build quality of this transparent bumper case also very good, and also feels very grippy. To be frankly, at the back side I feel very grippy. So I have this time the mobile phone does not fall easily from my hands, because as I told, it feels very comfortable. The back side is like something very soft, but it was very grippy. That's it in this video guys. I hope I have provided something information. So guys, if you also have the OnePlus Nord mobile phone, so my suggestion, better to go for the bumper case as you like, which will give some more protection for the Nord mobile phone. Usually we know that the Nord side frame comes with plastic, so using this type of case really workable. Thank you so much guys for spending your valuable time with me. See you very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.